All right. Welcome back, guys. So excited that you guys landed here on my page. This is Trey Mathis from WiFiEntrepreneur.com. Super excited about this year, 2018. Some amazing things are already taking place in 2018. If you're plugged into this page, I hope you're finding and identifying your passion, finding your steps, and finding your direction. Look, guys, here is the Millionaire Booklet. If you guys haven't already downloaded it, make sure that you click on the link in the description box above. Make sure you download these 44 pages of absolutely fantastic information to how to get super rich here in 2018. I got my notebook here as well. As always, I'll keep my notebook handy because after these videos, I like to take some notes. I like to think that I'm going to give you guys something to actually make you think a little bit, to make you want to take some notes. So by all means, please, when you watch these videos, have a little notepad available, or at least have one for this year, 2018, to track your success. Look, if you guys missed last week's video or last video, I'm telling you guys, I was really excited about the video because we were talking about turning your passion into a profitable business. And I really identify with that because I think that if you are doing something you love, you are having a lot of fun, you're not really working, and you can really bring your unique personal self to the table each and every time you do business. So in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit more. I know we were talking about identifying your niche and how we were going to be able to stand out once we've identified a niche. I shared a link to a great video with training information to help you identify your niche. If you did not check out that, if you did not get an opportunity to check that out, make sure you go over to our YouTube channel, our Facebook channel, and check out that video, check out that link, gather that information, because that information is definitely going to be rewarding for you moving forward. In this video, however, I want to take you one step further. If you've identified what you're passionate about, you identify, what your niche could fall into or where your niche could lie inside of that passion. I want to take it one step further and talk a little bit about what kind of businesses that you could potentially launch from your passion and from your niche. And one of the things that I want to make sure that I always share, because it truly changed my life, I talked about in the last video, was about network marketing. Network marketing was really cool for me because it gave me the opportunity not only to see what it is like to be an entrepreneur, but it helped me fall in love with helping other people succeed with entrepreneurship as well. And that's truly what I'm passionate about. I believe it was through that it got me here. But what network marketing could potentially do for you if you don't necessarily align with that story is, network marketing allows you to find a company that already has a product in place, that already has a manufacturer, the manufacturer put in place, the sales, the people cutting the checks and so on and so forth in place. But what they need you to do is they need you to share that product or service that they are providing with the masses, with your friends and family. Like true information is usually genuinely shared. So network marketing is absolutely a fantastic opportunity for you to launch a business. If you've never had a business before and you're looking to find success with something that you align with, then that's great. Another way that you can potentially succeed with taking your niche and passion to another step, and just so I can give you a quick example, when it comes to network marketing, a lot of companies are health oriented. So if you align your passion into the health aspect of things, better nutrition and so on and so forth, you may find a network marketing opportunity that offers health and wellness products, but then you may identify a particular niche inside of those products that you can further explore and bring out some of those things that we've been talking about in our videos and what we're going to be talking about moving forward. Okay. Another thing you can be doing or considering is you could be considering creating your own product. Creating your own product is basically saying, forget the network marketing, forget selling someone else's stuff. I'm going to create my own stuff. And that is absolutely a fantastic idea if you have that in you to do. There are some challenges that I want to make sure that you are aware of. If you're doing drop shipping, having your product on back order, things like that, these are problems and challenges that you may not necessarily be thinking of ahead of time that you will want to make sure that you consider when you think about creating your own product. You may also want to consider patents, trademarks, and things like that. Those come with a little bit additional expenses. However, if you want to create a product and then have that product shipped, that's absolutely fantastic idea. I celebrate you for wanting to do that. But last but not least, I wanted to talk about another way that I truly uncovered not too long ago, a couple years ago, but it really revolutionized the way I look at this whole online space of business, and I believe that it may open your eyes to new opportunity as well. And that's a thing called affiliate marketing. Now, a couple years ago, affiliate marketing was a name tossed around by guys, and I paid it no never mind. And I've been in the online space for quite some years. However, affiliate marketing kind of went by passively, and I never really locked in on it. However, what affiliate marketing truly does is it allows you to, again, find and identify a passion that you align yourself with, and then find products and services that are already being produced by other people that you know, whether or not you've used them before or you just stand behind and believe in their product or service, that you feel that you would like to share with other people. Let me give you a quick example. Last video, we talked about how you could potentially launch your own cupcake business. Well, you could ship cupcakes, you know, internationally. You have to deal with whatever the restrictions are for, you know, food shipment and so on and so forth. But you could also share the pan that you may utilize, the cooking sheet that you may bake with, the spatula or the spoon that you may utilize. These are all additional products that you use in the creation of the thing that you're passionate about. And you can share those tools, that passion with people. And hey, they may want to get a spatula. They may want to get a new baking pan. And you are the person who presented it to them, operating in the thing that you love. And now you're generating income, just sharing the passion and the products that you enjoy. And couple years ago, that may have seemed like a challenge, but in today's times, this has actually become a lot easier. Amazon.com has millions and millions of products, and believe it or not, all of those products, well, I would say close to the majority of those products are not manufactured by Amazon. They're actually manufactured by some outside person who created a product and then said, you know what, I want to get this product to the people, so I'm going to share this product on Amazon.com. And that manufacturer pays Amazon a commission. So Amazon is essentially an affiliate of all of those companies who are selling products online. And what really, really excites me about 2018 is Amazon.com has now offered an invitation to you to be their affiliate as well. You can actually launch an Amazon Associates business absolutely free, in which you're able to share any of the products and services that Amazon.com provides, and in that you can generate a commission from it. So if that baking sheet is on Amazon.com, after you set up your Amazon.com account utilizing the link in this description box, you're able to put that associate link on your website, and that anyone who goes to there, you know, after they're amazed by your cooking, they're amazed by your passion. We're going to talk about how we can highlight those things down the road, but they're able to go and click on that link and buy that pan, and you're going to generate commission for it. And imagine the millions of products that Amazon sells. I'm sure there's a product on there that aligns with your passion and your niche, in the business that you've created with the two together. So with that being said, go ahead and over to Amazon.com, utilizing the link in the bio, and set up your Amazon Associates account today. And until we talk again, everyone have a great and wonderful day. Talk to you later. Peace.